An array is a data structure that holds a predetermined number of variables, known as elements, all of the same type. The elements within an array are stored in consecutive memory locations, ensuring the efficient access to the data. In order to create an array, we have to type the type of the array, and then we have to put at the end square brackets, call it a variable. Let's create a variable called fruits. And then we write new string. And here we type fruits. So we're going to have apple. We're going to have banana, orange, grapefruit. And let's say pineapple. So we created an array. It consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. This is how we declare it. So we can do it simpler. For example, we can remove a new string. That will be appropriate. Still, it's a valid syntax. Also, we can do, for example, string like that. And then we can do var fruit and then new string and also correct syntaxes. In this case, we also can create the same array in this way. So we go string fruits. So I'm going to comment this out because I'm going to create the same variable. I've commented this out. So we go string fruits, and then we do new string, and we're putting in the square brackets, we put a number. We insert a number. In my case, it's going to be 5 elements. So we allocated in memory a variable called fruits. It will be 5 elements of type string. And now to fill those empty elements, because now it's like null, 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 and null. We have a string, and the default value for the string is null. And now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna access each of the elements in that array. So we go fruits. First element starts with 0. We're gonna give it a name apple. Second element fruits. We're accessing that exact element. So we're accessing it and giving it a banana value. So another is fruits 2, which is an orange. Fruits 3, which is a grapefruit. And 4, which is the fifth element, it will be pineapple. Okay, so we created, and that is the same as we did previously. That is the same as we take var fruits equals new string. Let me just create all of them. So we can do string fruits, new string, and then create the same as here. Create the same elements. Yeah, and also we can write, if I have another color. Oh, all right, I have this color. So we can create var. No, string fruits, sorry, string fruits. And then we just write here without new string because I don't need that. It will understand what my intention. So we can write either this syntaxes, or we can write having the string array as a type, and then we can create it with new keyword, or just make a type string array of strings, and then we can open the curly braces and insert elements as well. Or this way, but I'm not suggesting this way because it's just so you understand and just so you see how it works. Now I want to for each fruits, Let me just give it a name of f. Console.writeLine, everything we have in that array of fruits. So if I .NET run command, it gives me the elements. This array, this variable fruits have the same values as we mentioned before. So that's how we can create an array. Also, all array inherits from the system.array class. So we have here system.array. Let me find it. Okay, so it lays in system.array class. Also, I wanted to tell you how much elements it have. Fruits has a property called length. So we can go fruits length and see how much elements. So it will output me 5. If I run it, so the first will be 5. So it has this array has 5 elements. Okay, that's all I had to say about array class in a very few words. We will talk about the arrays in a very great detail in the future.